Mind you, I'm an expert makeup artist and a hairstylist.
No, you're not.
And that's why you put the clay.
I used my personal
Water.
This is oil.
So trying something new today. This beautiful woman is going to be doing her face and her hair. I'll be describing it for you. Mind you, I'm an expert makeup artist and a hairstylist.
No, you're not.
Take everything I say for a word on my mama.
Okay.
Mind you, you might think that you know what you're talking about, but I know it. I know it.
Okay. Everybody, that's Emperor Nonya, and he is absolutely right. He's going to be talking me through my makeup and hair routine. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with makeup. So,
Alright, our mandatory bunny is.
just to get the hair out the face.
Oh, that's why? Alright. Yeah. Alright, now this will be cute. Perfect.
See, all hair is out the face. Now, we're grabbing this.
Which is clay in a tube.
This
Or
is
they're building blocks.
Amazonian clay.
Oh, word? Is that the clay?
It's Amazonian clay. It's a PV tinted
Yeah,
moisturizer.
expert.
I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. Why? Why do we put it on our hand?
Because the wrists are hard. Just like our watches.
No, I just personally put it on my hand to warm it up a bit.
𝓼𝓾𝓫. Now mix it around with your paintbrush.
This is a
Mix it into the skin to get the extra color.
Yes.
Yeah. Look at that. Moisture and clouds on our face. Now we're glossy.
Oh, and I already moisturized my face. I used my personal
Water.
This is oil.
Serum.
I used the serum on my face before.
Yo, you see what I'm talking about? I know. Alright, more clay.
More clay.
I'm doing so well.
I'm so proud of you.
It's almost like, you know what? Alright, now we're going to get the bridge of our nose, I'll get the eyelids, around the cheeks, the chin, and where your mustache should be, if you're going where you look like a little child.
I don't look like a little kid.
Viewers, put in the comments below. This is the look in the nose.
Yes.
Then last you tell. Anyway.
Foundation is good.
And that's why you put the clay.
I'm actually going to make this similar to my most basic makeup routine ever because it's just easier.
You're like 6'2" or whatever.
Okay, so what's this?
Juice. Alright, so we put the juice on the brush. Yeah. Okay.
Concealer.
I was just testing it.
Why are we
Put it in
testing?
the corners. The outer eyelids. And then the bunny nose to match. And then we're beige. Finally. As you always want to be. And then the mic cover.
This is a beauty blender.
And the beautiful mic cover. To blend the sounds. Of right designs. There you go. Rub out all your money on your fish.
This is blending.
I love blending, man. I have an injury.
Not blender, blending.
Man, I know what smoothie is. Go ahead. Alright. Around the cheeks. Around the eyes. And now finally we have a 10, even though we live in a island. Alright, and now we have ice. Oh,
The setting brush.
yes, indeed.
Because you see, it's extra fluffy.
think we're doing bunny things today. So she has a bunny tail in her hands.
This is baking powder. I'm gonna
Baking
use
soda.
it to,
What
well,
is
it's setting powder. I'm gonna use it to put under here to brighten up that part.
And all the boys from the hoodie already know what base is. There you go. And now all of a sudden we're different race.
That's not how it works. I wasn't Puerto Rican in the first place.
We're gonna believe it. And we're gonna splash you on the eyes again. It's not time to spread things around.
Okay.
Somehow her forehead doesn't match the rest of her face, but she's gonna fix that too.
It doesn't match.
I can't hear you.
Okay, so now from here, I'm just going to take my NARS.
That very nice.
It's a highlighter, but I'm not using eyeshadow right now on my eyes.
Ladies, we all know what a highlighter looks like. That's not highlighter.
This is the liquid highlighter.
It's basically brown glue. Just trying to keep our eyes like 𝓼𝓾𝓫𝓼𝓬𝓻𝓷.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful, shiny. And
I'm
now we
not
match the
doing
red
my
lips.
eyes right now with eyeshadow because I think I had an allergic reaction to a product and I'm not sure which one it is.
We all know she's just lazy. You're gonna believe.
Now I'm grabbing
A paintbrush?
the
A paintbrush, indeed. Yes. Paintbrush. Now finally, you can be a clown just like your man.
We're coming
My
back
top.
to the beauty blender.
A bundle of lights. You man that Snoop's on. Alright, you see how it looks like we've been on the sun? What we hadn't.
I think I put on too much.
Like I think she always did this, you know? I mean, you're perfect. Let's just keep it going.
You're my roommate.
I appreciate you.
So I'm just blending it in. Right.
And rosy
here.
cheeks is what we want.
Yes, that is true.
Because we can't get a natural tan. Homie.
You're gonna go into this.
It's a book that slides. It's a book with pictures.
It's
That's
my
round.
highlighter. And I'm gonna go right into summer. with my black.
We all know what time it is. And so
Oh, I forgot to wipe off the powder.
all the boys in black, we already know about wiping on the powder or two. All right, here we go. We in summer now all of a sudden. Keep it going. Highlight your nose like a regular, just like it is. And your eyebrows. One light. Perfect. Now book your book, because school's done.
And then last thing I'm gonna do, well, no, not last thing. I have for brows. This is brow gel.
Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that's not gel.
It's brow gel.
Because your eyebrows with that color from before, you have to get impacted for some reason.
I actually go a lighter shade with brow gel because I don't like when my brows are too strong.
Ain't nothing in that face wrong. It's adorable.
What's this one?
A highlighter.
Mascara.
Alright, I've seen highlighter before. Alright. Who knew a brush was inside there? Perfect. All angles looking like a butterfly. Be careful now, don't shy. It seems like a bee. If you want to, you can put the brush into your head to highlight your edges.
This is not a highlighter.
Man, I'm not going to talk about
You know, I've actually poked myself in the eye with this before.
Not surprised.
It hurts.
You man OD.
Not that.
Friends, we all. Alright, I apologize, guys.
Now I have these.
Those are pencils.
They're lip pencils. You're right.
See what I'm talking about, guys? Expert. So we're going to go around the edges, around the creases, and then we're going to highlight the areas that we giggle at. If you want to, just touch teeth a little bit.
I have two-tone lips, so the top and the bottom aren't the same.
And we all know what that is.
So one of these colors actually matches my top, the other matches the bottom. If I put them together, well, you can't see from this far, but one is lighter than the other. So if I mix both, it ends up matching.
And you as a two-tone person, you're represented. We appreciate you.
I don't think it works like that.
I disagree. Anyway.
Now I have clear gloss, and because I put on a lip pencil, I prefer to just take a flat brush.
Icing.
It's not icing.
Icing. Delicious.
And just
And what for you to tell everybody that you can snack, put it on top. Perfect.
to tell everybody you're a snack, you put on icing.
I mean, that's what I do.
Okay, everybody. So that is like just my basic makeup routine. Really basic. So next we're gonna go into hair. Next we're gonna go into hair.
Y'all ready?
So check out that next video.
Get a brush.